do the easiest identification rule, you identify 3 or fewer properties. You could identify the IDS Center, the Foshay Tower, and the Mega Mall in Bloomington. It doesn't matter that these 3 properties are super duper expensive. What matters is that it's 3 or fewer properties. There's no valuation cap on the 3 property rule. Now there's an alternative rule, a different rule that you could go down, where you could identify more than 3 properties. But now they cap you with a value, a ceiling. If you sold your relinquished property for $1 million using the 200% rule, you double the value of your relinquished property to find your ceiling is now $2 million. Would you rather identify under the 3 property rule or the 200% rule? You'll have to figure it out. What if I change the facts and say you only sold for $100,000? Using the 200% rule, you're now capped at $200,000. Would you rather use the 3 property rule or the 200% rule? You have to think about it. But probably the 3 property rule is better. All right, lastly, there's a rule called the 95% rule. It's seldom ever used. That's when you're going to identify a big portfolio of 16 CVS drugstores or 100 oil and gas wells. It's more than 3 properties, it's more than 200%. The exception basically says, as long as you actually receive, by the 180th day, at least 95% of the value of those properties that you identified, your exchange is still valid.